Let's take a look at this example. Again, we have quadratic equation, and please notice that we have coefficient of x squared 8, and I have constant negative 24, and I have 0 on the right side of my equal sign. I can divide every single term by 8 in order to reduce this equation. So let's take a look what I'm going to have. Divide by 8, negative 24 also divide by 8, and 0 divide by 8. And I'm going to have x squared negative 24 divided by 8 is equal negative 3 is equal 0. This equation looks very simple, but we are going to solve it by using quadratic formula. Please notice that we do not have first degree term in this equation. So what we're supposed to do? We're supposed to just make it. So we have x squared plus 0x minus 3 is equal 0. Okay, this is my second degree term, first degree term, this is my constant. Okay, my coefficient next to x squared is invisible one, positive 1. Next, I'm supposed to write the quadratic formula. X is equal minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a is equal negative, remember this negative comes from formula, and b in this case is equal 0 plus minus square root b squared is 0 squared minus 4 times a is positive 1 times c is negative 3. This is my c. Everything is over 2 times a, which is equal 1, okay? A is equal 1. X is equal. I have 0, so that's why I'm going to write just plus minus square root. Negative times negative will give me positive 4 times 3. I'm going to write simply 4 times 3 over 2. Someone is going to ask why I write 4 times 3 only. Let me show you. I have plus minus square root, and I have 4 times square root of 3. Okay, so I'm going to have everything over 2. In order to simplify my answer, I'm supposed to just rewrite this radical as the product of two radicals. I'm going to have plus minus. I have square root of 4 is equal 2 square root of 3 over 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out, and I have x equals positive square root of 3, or x equals negative square root of 3. And these are the solutions to my problem.